How to find store language settings on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find store language settings on Ecwid, easy and quick. First open your browser and now once you're here, click settings. And here you will find the regional settings, and here we'll find store language. Now click language settings, and then here we'll find your store languages, and you can change your store language. Just click change store language and select a language you want and then click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.